Hello great people, African traveler again. So guys, today we are back on the road. Funny thing is I'm going back to Muranga. I don't know what is the calling with us in Muranga, but Muranga is one of those beautiful regions of the country. I would say Muranga is like Bali without the resort. Like that is the feeling you get when you come to Muranga. And today, one of the most amazing things that we're going to see is we're going to Nyoka Road. Nyoka Road basically is just like a snake road. And Muranga being hilly, most of the roads in that area are very, curvy, and they meander all through to Muranga. So, and with this trip, you shall also be able to see some section of the Mau Mau Road, one of the major projects that was traversing 4 counties of central Kenya. And you're going to be amazed because there's a lot of things that we got to see while on our way there. So just a brief view of Mau Mau Road. The cancellation of the section of Mau Mau Road has dampened hope of traders in Kiambu, Muranga and Nyeri County who are eyeing to establish link with farmers in Nyandarua. The design of the 54 kilometers stretch connecting the counties to Nyandarua through the Aberdare forest hits headwinds after the Kenya National Highway Authority (KENHA) cancelled the tender for Lot 4 covering the section between Ihururu and Jabini. In a statement, KENHA said the decision followed a failure to get environmental impact assessment approval from the Kenya Wildlife Services, Kenya Forest Services and the Kenya National Environmental Management Authority (NEMA). The EIA approval would have granted KENHA possession of the site for the 33-kilometer stretch from Kiandogoro to Mitibio Gate, which is under Aberdare National Park and Aberdare Forest, KENHA said. So we are most of part of the trip. This is a section we got to see. Good thing is still under construction. So, and there's a lot of things that is going on in this area. And we shall also get to a place called Tudhu. Tudhu is a place where we had some of the earliest missionaries in the country, and Muranga was that place. And to that extent, they used to call Muranga Fort Hall, for those who remember. So the project would have destroyed the natural forest in the Aberdare ecosystem, which is a very bad thing. And the proposed Ihide Aberdare forests to Kahuruko to Ndonyonjeru Road, the alignment is supposed to traverse 25 kilometers of closed canopy. The road was to cost 4.4 billion and was expected to be completed by next year. However, the road authority has assured Kenyans that the ongoing Mau Mau Road project traversing Kiambu, Muranga, Nyeri will not be affected by the cancellation. So keeps your hopes high and join us on this trip, and I hope you guys will love it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Thank you. Hey, what's up guys? Kwa hapa na pilot mwenyewe. Dere pilot mwenyewe. So we are still going to our destination guys. And man, this road is beautiful. It's called La Nyoka Road. Nyoka is basically a snake road. And since we took off the road, like we've been, it's been like how many minutes from pale? So like the road is beautiful and curvy, it's like a snake road. If we're just going like in zigzag, and this is because Muranga area is highly hilly area. So yeah, and today we have a different car because today tumeenda differently. Guy, Ken the drone guy here, got him a fans hapa. So leo tuko na Ken, director pale. So guys, we are still far from our destination, so it's amazing. So far it's beautiful. There's a lot of greenery in this area and a lot of plantation. I see maize, coffee, beans, bananas. There's a lot of avocados here. Man, like this is like a garden of Eden, of sort. There are areas you find tea leaves.
Seriously,
but like Muranga is blessed.
The air quality.
Oh,
I think that is the one thing you cannot capture on that on camera. You cannot capture that on camera. The air quality.
I don't know if you guys can hear that. Can you hear the birds and the trees? It's therapeutic.
The wind just blows through. The wind blows through the trees and
Amazing.
listen.
Moment of silence.
How can we show them this?
So guys, back on the road, back on the road. Ken is a licensed drone pilot, so
Is that?
if you want a drone, if you want licensed drone pilots, this is what you see guys here. Madhu yako iko wapi bana? So ukiwa na kazi ya licensed drone pilot ndio my guys. Yes. Do not disturb. So guys, we're in a very unique place. Looks very epic. I think it will even look more epic from above. Just look, there's a construction site here and there's an amazing curve that meanders here, guys. So this place we can only do justice to this place if you look at it from above. So just look at this river here. Muranga has so many rivers. My guys are over there. Oh, this is beautiful. Just look at the gabions being used here. Niaje? Hii area inaitwaje? Kanafani. Kanafani. Oh, noma sana. Hii ni kwari ama? Hii ni kwari kabisa. Bado inafanya? Wazi. There's a river from the hill. I'll try to take you to the drone shot here. There's a river flowing from the hill. Just look at this. It's beautiful. Guys, the drone pilots are here. So guys, we are in Tudo town. This is one of the earliest areas where the missionaries came, and we have a shrine for them that was built in 1902. So yeah, we've given you some awesome drone shots, and you can see the whole Kabe town is here. So yes. Wazito, mnasemaje? Mnataka kufanya nini hapo hivyo? Mnataka kufanya nini?
Tunataka kukapcha hapa tao kiasi.
Watu wa Tudo.
Watu wa Tudo kidogo tu.
Kabisa.
Tudo from above.
Kabisa. Asante. Memorial Chapel.
Yeah.
1902.
Yes.
Whoa. Wow. Wow. These were the first places where the British
The
missionary came. Hello guys. So we are finally here at one of the earliest missionary centers in Kenya. And the missionaries came before colonialism. Nakutana na Mr. George. Mr. George, uko salama?
Kabisa.
Asante kwa kutupatia time na wewe. So Mr. George, naangalia hapa inasema Tuthu Memorial Chapel. On June 29th, 1902, first Consolata missionaries
For the Tigay.
For the Tigay, Perero.
For the Pelo.
And for the Pero.
Yeah.
So what is this, my brother?
Indio, that is before everything. Christians, Catholic Christians, missionaries came here. Hapa ndio walifanya misa yao ya kwanza.
Here in Muranga?
Hapa Muranga.
And it used to be called Fort Hall?
Fort Hall, yeah.
And
this place is Tuthu Palace.
Tuthu Palace. So what do we have here as memorial?
Yeah, this shrine.
Oh no, I see a shrine. What is basically this? So the center one is it was built
shrine.
For the shrine.
This is where they did their first prayers.
Oh, here, the first building.
Yeah.
But this is not the initial building. This is a renovation. The first building.
Yeah.
Na hizi zingine ni nini?
Hii inakuwa ni shades. Wakati wa maombi.
People sit here.
Yeah.
Wow. So this was 1902.
1902.
Wow. So Tuthu bado, does Tuthu still have these missionaries coming in?
They are there.
They're coming mostly from which countries?
Italy.
From Italy. Wow. And I want just to say you've been a very great guide. And from the town that we left, which is Kanyanyaine, to Tuthu, you said there are 72 corners.
72 corners.
So guys, imagine 72 corners in less than 9 kilometers. 72 corners.
Yeah.
And this is the Mau Mau Road.
Mau Road.
This is the Mau Mau Road. So this is Muranga and it connects to
Nyandarua.
Yeah. So Mau Mau Road is a 500-kilometer road stretch that surpasses over 3 counties, 3 or 5, up to 5
counties.
Up to 5 counties, because it goes to Nyandarua, Muranga, Kiambu, Nyeri, and Nyandarua.
Yeah.
So guys, imagine 5 counties. And today, I've been able to see some of the progress that has been going on the road, and I'm amazed because of my brother here.
Yeah.
Mr. George. Mr. George?
George Njoroge.
Oh, Mr. George Njoroge.
Yeah.
Okay, so man, you guys live in a very beautiful place.
You like it?
I don't like it. I love it.
That's very good.
This is heavenly.
Yeah.
Because the air, guys, you guys have no idea.
The breeze
that we have here. The water.
The tea
leaves. The pear, my guy. Like the pears you eat in Nairobi comes from here.
Yeah.
The water they drink in Nairobi comes from here. Guys, this place is heavenly. And Aberdare Forest is just next year. We went, shall be going to a place called Mushwakona. Mushwaraha.
Yeah.
Mushwaraha basically means the end of fun. So when Mr. George is from Kanyanyaine. Kanyanyaine ilikujaje?
Kanyanyaine.
Yeah.
Kanyanyaine.
What does it mean?
Wakati huo kulikuwa na baridi sana. So we used to kanyanyanya. You can't talk.
Oh, it was called
Kanyanyaine.
So you are
Kanyanyaine because of the cold.
And Tuthu? What does Tuthu mean?
Tuthu.
Just a name. Probably a name of a person.
Yeah.
Wow. It's been an amazing journey to come here. And thank you so much, guys, for being around. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And we love you guys. And don't forget to propose where next you want us to show you guys here. Thank you. Good. our last destination. It was mwisho wa raha. So guys, and you can see from here on, this is the Aberdare forest. You can see it better from above. So mwisho wa raha basically means the end of fun, huh? Literally. Mbona inaitwa mwisho wa raha?
Kuna mwenye anakuuliza.
Oh, you're independent.
You're free.
Niko na George hapa. George. Yaje? Kwa salama? Atatupatia story hapa. So, ile ndio Aberdare.
Ile ndio Aberdare forest.
So, then the other side of the Aberdare forest kuna nini kule? Umeniambia ni Kinangop.
Ni Kinangop.
Oh, the other side is Kinangop.
Kuna Nyandarua sasa.
Oh, Nyandarua. Nyandarua County.
Yeah.
Na huku ni majani tu.
Ni majani,
milima.
Milima.
Yeah, and guys, the water here is sparkling clean. Ni nini unaweza tuambia juu ya hii area? Mwisho wa kona.
Mwisho wa raha. Hapa ndio maji mingi ya Kangema imetoka hapa.
Oh. Yeah. So from the Aberdare forest.
Yeah, from the Aberdare forest.
Inaanzia hapa.
It's a walking distance. Mahali penye tuko na hiyo intake. Ni hapa hivi. Unaona hiyo tinga? Hii tinga iko hapa hivi. Just next.
Hapo.
Where's the meet?
Guys, tunaenda hapo. We'll get there by the drone and see and show you guys how beautiful this place is. And guys, this place is heavenly. It's beautiful.
Hiyo mto iko na mianda mingi.
Wow.
Very nice.
Wow. Wow. Just look at this. So kuanzia hapa hakuna watu sasa.
Hakuna watu.
Naanda inaitwa mwisho.
Iko mwisho
kabisa. Na huko hakuna wanyama?
Hakuna. Oh, in the forest.
Wanyama gani wako huku sasa? Wanyama gani wako huku?
Wanyama ile kokolia.
Hapana, kuna simba. Na ni gani zinakujanga sana karibu? Ndovu. Aya, elephant come. But lion inaweza survive kwa jungle kama hii. Na huku vitu kama snakes, nyoka. Baridi. Hii ni baridi sana kwake. Mamanki ama wagani ndio wengi?
Buffalo ziko. Ziko. Big ones.
Some maintenance work. The Kenya Road. Pairs hapa. Asante sana Jose. So there's a pair. These are grown here. Pair. So hizi pair zinatoka huku ndio mnapanda kwa wingi. Wow. Wow. Got a gift. Thank you guys. This is organic. Local pubs. If you want to have kamoja. Kunayo hapa. Twende asset gani? We're going to see the meanders in the river. Wow, there's a nice viewpoint here. Yeah. Wow. Hey, yeah. Ile mtoni si smart?
Yeah, sana.
Guys, the water is sparkling clean. Imagine utakunywa tu hivyo hata. Imagine safi.
Bali. Unasema hapa?
Nauliza mwenyewe.
Hii ni Aberdare hii.
No, imetoka aje?
Hiyo ni nyoka hiyo. Inashuka.
Inashuka hiyo.
Imetoka kwa milima.
Inazunguka pale hivi.
Na hii mto inaenda itakuwa gani? Hii ya nini? Aende kwenda Nairobi? Hii ile inaenda Nairobi.
Sasa magari.
Smart sana. We have fish in the water, guys. The water has fish. Ni samaki gani na kuanga? Trout. Oh. Far. We have landslide. So ile landslide nasikia Muranga inakuanga ni huku? There's another landslide that happened there. Gani iliua watu watano? Oh, so the landslide you see here. Inaweza ona miti zimeanguka zingine. So maji ilikuwa imekuwa dama. Wow, so when the landslide happened, it blocked the water. We came courtesy of this, my big bro here, and it's called Ken the Drone Guy.
Ken the Drone Guy.
This guy has been telling me, African, you've not seen beautiful places. Let me take you today, and we're here. Greeneries, nature, air, and you're here courtesy of him. He has his ancestral roots here, and we'll bring more stories about him later. But today, go check his channel. Ken
the Drone Guy on YouTube. Ken the Drone Guy on Instagram k.kogi. But tupatane huko.
Karanja bana, unachoma.
On Instagram k.kogi. It's Ken the Drone Guy. On YouTube Ken the Drone Guy. Wapi kwingine? Twitter niko Ken the Drone Guy.
Additional footage by
Ken the Drone Guy.
Tunakwanga.
So guys, one day we'll have a story with Ken the Drone Guy, and yeah, subscribe to his channel, show us love, and he'll be taking us to more places, more exciting places in the country. He's also an explorer, so check him out. Thank you.
Sana.
Amazing, bro. Thank you.
bless.
Peace out. So guys, this place is super hilly, super beautiful, and you guys have an amazing experience to come and explore. So I give you a chance, make your time, come and explore. It's not very touristic in terms of facilities, but it's very touristic in terms of what it has. This is what I've seen here is what I see in Bali, only that we don't have the tourist resorts. So I want you guys of Muranga to changamka bana. This place is heavenly, it's beautiful. The nature, the environment, it's just heavenly. So guys, I hope you guys liked, I hope you guys subscribed, I hope you guys commented, and yeah, we come to the end of our day today, and I would like to say peace out and have a good time, have a great time wherever you are. So peace out. Thank you.